Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, giving you a bit of an idea of what our advent calendar kit's going to look like. So inside your box, you're going to have a couple of boxes, at least 2, maybe 3. There is going to be one of these very cute little envelopes which is sealed with a day on it. So this is the one you open on the 24th of December, and this is the one you're going to open on the 17th, and this one's a little bit chunky. Don't be tempted to open them early, girls. That's the 11th. 19th, 3rd, and so on. So there is one of these gorgeous little envelopes with a present inside for you every day, counting down until Christmas Day, when you're going to get a very special gift. So we have these on our website to order now. They are $99. They'll be shipping on the 12th of November, so you can get them in time for Christmas. And we love the idea that mums and nanas and crafters are not going to miss out in the excitement of December, of counting down to Christmas. So order yours today, www.uniquelycreative.com.au.